Good day. Today let's prepare a beautiful dahi curry with vada. For vada I have pre-prepared the batter to make the vadas, but I'm putting extra chili. This is my medu vada recipe. Let's do this after. For the tamper I have cumin seeds and mustard. Okay, and of course I'm going to use beautiful turmeric powder. And for dahi yogurt 1 kilo, yeah, I'm using half a kilo and 1 liter water. Then I'll use chickpeas flour, or you can call it Besan atta. This is for the tamper, 2-3 green chilies and curry leaves, and top for the garnish. Let's prepare dahi curry with vada. Let me show you a good technique to make the vada. Okay, water please for your spoon, just a tablespoon. Take a round ball and okay, water again, tablespoon, and check in between, check, yeah, voila, looks like it is now golden brown and ready. Time to take these bad boys out. Voila, dahi curry vada, voila. And we will, you know the recipe. Simple, hey? Udit dal, soda bicarb, Just check my YouTube link. Usual 1 tablespoon of oil, a small teaspoon of cumin seed, right? And a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Okay. Good. Let them crack a bit, and then we'll drop the beautiful green chili. Drop the green chili. Voila. 1 stick curry leaf. Let's drop the 500 grams of dahi with 500 grams. Voila. Chili powder. Good stir. Check your salt and add the chickpeas flour. Okay. Or the Besan atta. And then give it a good stir. Make sure your salt is right. Please note your flame will be as low as possible, otherwise your curd will crack. So now we will off the flame and drop the bad boys. Okay, the vada should be cooled by now. Voila. Look at them, look at them, look at the bad boys. Voila. Just immaculate, hey? Try this beautiful dahi curry with beautiful spicy vada. A load of chili inside the vada. You can add coconut, you can add chopped onion if you want, you can add curry leaves, you can add a bit of ginger maybe. Voila. The dahi curry is ready, guys. Let it soak in there and the bad boys will be ready to be eaten. Okay, this is enough sufficient for 4, hey? Just right now to drop the fresh coriander. Voila, they have to be fresh. Okay, and let them just be on top. When you serve, you catch the coriander and the vada with the dahi.